Can the waste PLA generated by 3D printing be recycled? Can we make t-shirts out of those PLA scraps? Collect PLA print extruded scrap, model supports, filament residue, and failed models. Next, we pour the collected waste into the machine for crushing treatment, resulting in a variety of colorful crushed materials. Then, we pour these materials into the melting machine for melting recycling, which will produce random colored particles. These particles are then poured into the spinning machine, resulting in a roll of PLA yarn. If we use white waste, it will come up with a white PLA yarn. In order to promote the concept of environmental protection, we designed t-shirts to promote the concept of environmental protection from multiple aspects, encouraging more people to participate in environmental initiatives.